we're gonna show you our summer morning routine. No. I know your breath is super stink. This looks so good. What's 4 times 3?
4 times 3.
There's no way I can go on this, y'all. We're gonna show you our summer morning routine. I just got back from the gym. She was sleeping when I first left this morning, but now I'm back and she's up. So I know you want
cereal.
Yeah, cereal. She wants breakfast. So the first thing she likes to do is eat breakfast. But girl, you gotta pick this room up. Like, you did not clean your room last night, so you gotta pick this room up before you eat anything. Okay. So y'all, it's not, girl, why are you still on that iPad? So it's not that bad, y'all. She's been doing a really good job of keeping her room clean. It's just a few plushies is out of place, and some clothes she had on yesterday, but it's not bad. She's been doing a really, really good job. I'm like super proud of her, actually. So hurry up so you can get breakfast, girl.
I'm on my way.
Girl, you're not done. Oh, I have to work. So she had an all-nighter last night, y'all, and she stayed up until like 3:20. She stayed up until like after 3. She was her and Gray and Phoenix were trying to stay up all night, and y'all, they didn't make it. I
kind of made it. Like I did. Like I went to a.m. I went to like 3 a.m.
3 a.m. I'm hungry too. No. I know your breath is super stink, so you have to brush your teeth. So do y'all brush your teeth before or after you eat? I know the dentist says you're supposed to do it before you eat, but it tastes really gross with your food. So
yeah, like orange juice.
No, it does not.
Yeah.
Clean face.
Okay. This is hard.
Girl, just pick a moisturizer.
Okay, I'll pick these. Okay. First, let's add on this one. This is the Level Up.
So you got to keep your face moisturized, guys. You got to use SPF during the summer because it gets hot outside and you don't want to get sunburned. So SPF every day.
I want to get sunburned. See what I look like.
No, that's dangerous. The summer bucket list. She has to read 20 books. How many books have you read so far?
Probably like 5 or 4.
Yeah, I think so. I think 5. So
yeah.
she's making good pace. And let me see the book that you've been working out of. Let's see the cover.
So it's a brain quest, and basically there's like more books for each grade level. And I think it stops at like 8th grade or something. I don't know. And it also has like flashcards you can buy, like for each individual book.
So what are you working on today?
So I'm gonna work on some money because I'm really good at money. So 2 quarters equal 50 cents. And these are dimes, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40. And then these are nickels, so then it's 5, 10, 15. These are pennies, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, when you add the dimes up, you want to take 1 quarter and put it in. So then when you have 4 tens, and you add 2 more and 5 ones. So basically, that's just counting up. So then you have 65. And then when you add that one, you're gonna plus the 5 and the 5, which equals 10. So then it's gonna be 70. And then 7, 8, 9. So then that's 90. And then 90 100. So 100. When it reaches 100, it's $1. So $1.15. 16, 17, 18, 19. So it's $1 and 19 cents.
I don't think that's right. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 96. 5, 6, 7. Oh, you were right. Guys, we checked the tapes and she was wrong. So you see why you have to practice? You see why you have to practice?
That's just the first one.
Okay, so let's do this one then. Okay. Let's see.
So this is okay. So then that's 40. So then 55, 56, 57, 58, 59.
59. Okay, let me see. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 56, 57. Okay, you're right. Okay, high five this time.
Got the snow cone staff.
Snow cone.
Have to make a snow cone.
Okay.
How to make the snow cone?
Y'all ready? We need ice.
I will do it.
You did it?
Uh-huh.
So it's a blade in here, guys. And when I think you push it down.
And she almost cut her finger off.
I almost cut my finger off when I was cleaning it because this blade is like super sharp. So if you get this one, be careful. Is it plugged in?
It is. Yeah, it is.
Is there an on switch?
Because remember, this is the on switch. No, I think we need the other kind.
What other kind?
The one that's more sheep.
No. This should work.
Maybe we have to make it melt. Wait.
No, that doesn't work like that. Girl, where's the instructions? Oh wait, you know what I think we gotta do? I don't think it's electric. Oh wait, no.
It has to be electric because this.
Oh, there's a there's a plug. No, stop doing that. Stop doing that.
I think it needs to melt.
No, it doesn't, babe. This is Spanish. What am I trying to read?
No. The top, no.
Where's English?
No. This one is Spanish. The white one is English.
Oh, duh.
No, I think.
I just heard something.
Oh, God!
Cheers!
Yours is all the way to the bottom.
I need more ice. Oh, this sour green one is sour.
I need 10 out of 10 bussin'. $1 million baby.
What's wrong with you?
My iPad's not working.
Well, I'm hungry. We made it, guys, and I'm starving.
I'm hungry too.
That looks so good. This looks so good. I got the same thing, y'all. Chicken and waffles.
I got chicken and waffles. I got waffles and bacon, but she gave me one of the chicken.
I'm about to tear this up.
Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Y'all, look at her plate. Oh, look at my plate.
I'll finish that chicken for you.
Y'all, I'm off work and we are about to go to Sky Zone because it's
been a boring summer.
What you mean it's been boring?
We went to brunch, we made slushies, we haven't been outside.
You went to a party. What else did you do?
Wait, party?
Yes, you went to 2 parties actually.
Wait, when?
You see this, y'all? Her mind, she just want to do something every day. It's like, what am I doing now? What am I doing? All she want to do is do something. She forget when she does stuff. But you've been having fun, girl.
Okay, maybe a little fun.
And so, yeah, we're headed to Sky Zone, y'all. And when we're in the car, like sometimes I'll do like, I'll like quiz her on stuff. She has her show them your board. She has her board, and we might do like some spelling words or like some math prompts and stuff like that. So, just to help the time pass by, so that when she's not like always on the iPad, So spell crybaby. Crybaby, because you're a big old crybaby.
Can we just spell cry?
Crybaby.
Oh my god.
Jeez. Y'all, somebody almost about to hit me. Okay. Show them crybaby. Because she's a big fat crybaby. Now can you make it plural? Crybabies. You remember how to do that? Think about it. Think about it. Drop the what?
Drop the I.
What? Where do you see an I? What do you drop?
So drop the Y, put the I. So then I. I-E-S.
Okay, girl. What's 4 times 3?
4 times 3. 4 times 3 is okay. So you have 9.
Say it in your head. 4 times 3.
So 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Okay. We made it, guys. And don't forget this hack. Make sure you bring your socks because you're going to save some money.
And you're not just going to waste $10 on socks.
Exactly. So make sure you hang on to your socks and bring them every time you go to Sky Zone, okay? What? Are you scared?
I can do it.
Are you scared of the zip line? No way. Are you scared for real? Why?
Like, what is it like? Because remember when I was zip lining, I got stuck on it. I got stuck in the middle.
Girl, it's gonna be fun. Come on. Wait, why is there like nothing on the sides? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Was that scary?
Yes. That was scary.
You going again? No?
But I can go for a walkover. I can.
There's no way I can go on this, y'all. Are you okay?
Yes.
Are you sure? We had a pretty successful week with doing some stuff on the bucket list. So what can we check off? We can check off brunch.
Okay. Check it out.
Brunch. What is the trampoline park? And we made icy.
Slushies.
Yes, slushies.
And then.
I think that's it so far.
Wait, no, I think we have another one.
No, that's it. So guys, make sure you keep on tuning in to see how many more things we can check off on the bucket list. And thanks for watching.
Bye. Peace.